Hi guys, I'm Jérémy Muselet, your French teacher. I live in north of France, in a small town named Lille, and I wanted to introduce myself today based close to my home. Behind me you have the UK, this way you have Belgium, and Paris is just over here. Just to let you know, I'm 46. I'm French. I studied in a business school at the end of the 90s, and I was studying and in the same time working for Auchan, a French retailer. Maybe you know, it's like Walmart in the US. By the way, after 2 years, by the time I was in charge of managing a department, especially non-food business, and finally I enter a French retail chain of stores named La Halle, specialized in clothing business. And then I was working by the time as a buyer, and then I entered another company which name is Camaïeu, and then I spent over maybe 11 years just to to work as a buyer. I was a t-shirt buyer during 2 years. Then I spent 3 years and a half in Morocco, north of Africa. Then I came back to France, and I was in charge of the Middle East market. That means Saudi, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar, and so on. And my job at this time was to develop the business in this part of the world. Then I came back to France, and I was in charge of managing some buyer or product manager during 3 years. And then I spent around 2 or 3 years in Dhaka, Bangladesh, just in charge of building a buying office. At the end, after 11 years, I was a little bit fed up to travel all over the world, so I decided to change. And finally, I went to another business. I decided to build a company to build houses with containers, and I did it during 2 years. Finally, I was a little bit bored with this kind of business because the business process was a little bit long. So I decided to open one restaurant, then 2 restaurants, and then I was fed up with it. To give you an idea, I'm teaching now since 3 years, especially in the supply chain management. This is one part of my business. The second one is to help small companies, especially in the internet business. The idea is to help them to know how they can catch new customers, and that's it. And the last part of my job consists in selling in Amazon, and especially on the US market, Amazon FBA. And then that's why I try to teach in the supply chain, because you can imagine that working with this kind of company is very challenging, especially in the supply chain business. And that's it. For now, this is the small introduction. I will let you know more about the teaching in new videos. And thanks for listening to me, and have a good day. Bye-bye.